You can use Scratch in either online modes or offline modes. Now, if you are using it if you are using it with online mode, that means you require internet connectivity. So without the internet, you won't be able to use it that way. But if you don't want to use it with internet, then you have to use it in offline mode. Now, how do we use it in online mode? It's very simple. Just bring up your browser and then go to the address bar and type, as you can see, scratch.mit.edu. That's the official website. So when you type it, then you press the enter key. It will take us straight to the Scratch official website. So when we get here, you just click start creating. You can join anyway, but you can just click start creating and it takes you to the Scratch screen layout. You have a video there, you can play it just to get some information, but when you are done, you close. And this is the Scratch screen layout. So here you can drag your blocks, start giving instruction on what you want to do. Then if you don't want to use it online, you want it offline mode, that is also very easy. All what you just need to do is to go to the website and look for download. But what I usually do is that to take me straight to that point where I just need to download it, I'll type something like, I'll come to the address bar and type something like scratch offline editor downloads. So when I press my enter key, it gives you the search result, and if you look at the first one, the official website there is scratch.mit.edu. So just click on it and it will take you straight to the official website, and from here you locate downloads. Now you have choose your OS. So for me, I'm using Windows, so that's why Windows is automatically highlighted there. So if you are using Mac OS, it will be highlighted, or any other one. But for me, since I'm using Windows, it's highlighted there. I'll just come down. It's saying get it from Microsoft Store or direct download. So me, I prefer direct download. So I'll just click on direct download and it will be downloading from here, right? This is the one I was downloading initially. I closed it. So when you click direct downloads, like I said, you'll see it here. It's downloading, right? So after downloading the file, what you just need to do is to open it and follow the step. It's very simple, and at the end you will successfully install your Scratch program. And when you are done, it will give you open it the way you open other programs, right? The shortcut may appear on your desktop, just like you can see, it may appear on your desktop, or you come to search if you are using Windows 11 and then you type Scratch, it will appear here. I have not even typed it, but it has appeared because I do open it. So when you click on it, it opens as offline, so it doesn't require internet before you can work with it here. So this is the screen layer. So that's how you can use your or make the Scratch program available to you in your computer.